notice is a written document that serves as a formal communication between the parties. A legal notice informs the receiver that the sender intends to take legal action against them. A legal notice also aids in informing the receiving party of the sender's grievances. It serves as a final warning to the recipient to comply with a specific condition in order to avoid legal struggle. It's used in a variety of scenarios, including consumer forums, disputes involving property such as partition and eviction, or concerns connected to property possession, defaulters on loans, or even money recovery cases. Now, let's take an example of a tenant eviction notice. Now, a rent agreement is written between the tenant and the landlord when land is leased to a renter. Despite the fact that renters have the rights that protect them from forced or unlawful eviction, the landlord can bring an eviction notice for specific reasons. So, the landlord must first give a formal notice to the tenant before initiating an eviction complaint. The legal notice will include the number of days the renter has to depart the property, the time and date on which the property must be evacuated, and the reason for being evicted. Only civil cases require the filing of a legal notice. In criminal proceedings, the government is the one who takes legal action against the wrongdoer. The entire procedure of mailing a legal notice through registered courier might take up 5 to 7 business days. In India, English is the most widely used language for sending legal notices, and there are no papers or attachments that must be delivered with the legal notice to the other party. Although it is not required to respond to a legal notice, it is usually best to do so after consulting with an attorney. His writing skills and use of legal jargon are the potential to make impression on the recipient. The legal notices given by WhatsApp, Telegram, emails, or even faxes have been acknowledged by the Supreme Court of India. The two blue ticks on the WhatsApp indicate that the notification has been received. In another scenario, if you receive a legal notice, let's say for payment of money in a check bounce case, then you must respond within 15 days of receiving the notice. You must also send a check in the same amount to the payee as the last check along with the notice. The reason for the check dishonor must also be stated in the response. If you do not respond within the specified time frame, legal action will be taken against you. If you do not owe the person who gave the notice any money, you should state so in your response to the notice, which must be sent within 15 days. You can always seek the advice of a lawyer who specializes in this area. Thank you.